Okay guys, how you doing? Dan Dearborn, Encore Studios. Now we're checking out the brown sound, which is their heaviest tone. I've got the gain all the way up on 10 or 11, if it would go to 11. I've turned down the master volume just a bit, just because I was getting some feedback being this close. But tell me what you think. Sounds pretty good. I like it. When you get to the lower,